Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this POCO smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to choose Privacy section over here and click on Permission Manager. Now tap on one of your device's features like location and select an app that you wish to manage, in this case camera. Now click on one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow, and finally select the back button. As you can see after that, camera no longer has access to my device location. But you can always select any feature and then an app that you are interested in, for example Snapchat. Now click on See all Snapchat permissions instead and manage all of them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!